Welcome, my dear students. Tenses Part 3. So, today I am here with future tense. We have already done present and past, and just by using will or shall in simple present tense, we can make future. Can you see the examples here? With I have used shall, and with the other subjects, will. So, generally, nowadays, I have seen students using will with I, we, you, they, he, she, but whenever there is a standard rule, whenever you are asked to fill up will or shall, then you should opt for shall with I. Clear? Up to now, we have learned that present is in our hand, it is a gift of God. Past is over, we cannot change it. Future is decided in present, and that is done by will. So that's why in present tense when we use will or shall, it becomes future. Some interesting facts also we have discussed, like what are the subjects and what are the verbs, how the verb decides the tenses, how just by changing the form of the verb it can be present to past. Verbs are helping and main verb, and the interesting fact about S to a noun makes it plural, boy, boys, girl, girls, and S to a verb makes it singular, like goes, writes. These are singular, and we use it with the singular subject, he goes. We never say they goes. So now it is time to start structures of different forms of simple future tense. But once again, just see the examples here. I shall play chess. This is active voice, and chess will be played by me, passive voice. You can see the difference. With I have used shall, but when the object has become subject, chess, I have used will. So it is all according to the subject verb agreement. And then he will be an engineer, state of being, and they will have a big bungalow, position. I don't think there should be any doubt in state of being or position. I have got some questions from you that state of being means what. So here I'd like to share with you that state of being means your status, like who you are. I am a boy. So he will be an engineer. So this is a state of being. And position means what is in your capacity, what is in your position. So they will have what? A big bungalow. Okay. So let us begin. Future simple. The structure is same. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. V1 you know, first form of the verb. And will or shall according to subject we decide. You can see the example, he, she, it, Rama, we, you, they, these are the subjects. With these, either it is singular or plural, you can use will. But with I only, in standard rule we use shall. Otherwise, if you are using will also, it is not wrong, but generally it is used for giving stress. Okay. Next, future simple with some more examples, means interrogative and negative. So subject plus will shall plus not, means after the model, after will shall we have to use not, and then V1 plus object. He will not write a story. Will he write a story? They will not play cricket. Will they play cricket? Okay. So by putting not after will, we can make it negative, and when we make it interrogative, you have to use the helping verb will in the beginning. Like he will not write a story, will he not write a story? That can also be one way. Now future continuous. In future continuous, we use subject plus will or shall plus be. This is very important. You will have to use be because you are going to use ing form. He will writing a story is wrong. He will be writing a story, or he will not be writing a story, or will he be writing a story. Similarly, They will be playing cricket, they will not be playing cricket, and will they be playing cricket? So this is future continuous, and V4 means ing form of the verb. Future perfect, as we have done present perfect and past perfect, what we were doing, we were using has, have, then past tense had. Now here you have to use will or shall have. Don't use has in any condition. Whatever is the subject doesn't matter. With will and shall you have to use only have plus V3 means third form of the verb. Examples: he, she, Rama, it will have written a story. He, she, Rama will not have written a story. Don't say he will have not. It is will not have. Will he have written a story? Similarly, I shall have played cricket. I shall not have played cricket. Shall I have played cricket? So this is future perfect tense. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb and object. Now future perfect continuous. Very important, because in this structure you have to use will or shall plus have plus been plus V4 plus object. So he, she, it, Rama, these are the subjects. Will have been writing a story, and as I told you earlier, for or since can be used after it. You can continue with for or since. He will not have been writing a story. Will he have been writing a story? Similarly, I shall, and I told you will also is used frequently by you, but as per standard rule with I you should use shall. And very interesting fact here, that in past tense when we change this shall, it will never be should, it would be would. So never say I should, because the meaning will completely change. I should is like suggestion, like I should go to market. So there it is not telling about past tense, it is telling something else. You should go and have lunch, suggestion. So I would, and here I shall or I will have been playing cricket, they will not have been playing cricket, and will they have been playing cricket. So today we have learned future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. One more interesting fact, we are doing active voice. In active voice we have up to now learned simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Similarly past and future also. But all these are in active voice. Whenever you change these sentences in passive voice, always remember either it is present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous or even future continuous tense. There passive is not done. There passive is not made. Okay, and object is very important. Without object in passive voice, it would be difficult for you, it would be not possible for you to change sentences. And you know very well what is object. Just put what with the verb and you will get the object. Rama will have been writing a story. Rama will have been writing what? A story. So a story is a object. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Success does not just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. Okay. So thank you.